me off and play me like everybody else. If I ask you to scratch my back, did you manage that? Then get me there, chicken Travie, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for
mobile. And one thing you guys need to know. You guys can download this premium preset for free, but if you want to download it free you need to get the password from us. So, you guys need to watch this tutorial and you can get the password from left side of your screen top corner. Then, you need to go to the drive and get the preset. The download link in description below. So, why we waiting for? Let's start. Open your Lightroom application in your device. Then select a photo what you want to edit. First go to Light. Then, Exposure to keep it in default. Contrast to 50. Highlights to -100. Shadow to 10. White to 40. And the black to 40.
Then go to Curve. Adjust it how I do. Then go to Color. Temp to 6. Tint to -10. Vibrance to 60. Saturation to 20. Go to Color Mix. First, go to Red Color. Hue to 26. Saturation to -20. Next, go to Orange. Hue to -16. Saturation to -10. Luminance to 10. Go to Yellow. Hue to -80. Saturation to -60. Next, go to Green. Hue to -50. Saturation to -30. Next, hue to -50. Luminance to -20. Next, go to blue. Hue to -50. Luminance to -20. And click done. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 20. And the Dehaze to 10. Next, go to Spilt Tone. In Highlights. Hue to 62 and Saturation to 10. Next, go to Shadow. In Shadows. Hue to 10 and Saturation to 5. Then go to Balance. Adjust it to 30. And done. We are done. Let's copy this preset into other photos and see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like as well as leave a comment. Stay tuned, catch you all in my next video.